Kieha kigireko na Maithori kugomera ikaria gicagi kia Rwika gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia mbere ya muhuro kaunti-ini ya Embu hindi ya Mathiko ma Dr. Moses Njue uria waumire gicagi ari kahi kanini nginyagia gituika muthuthuria wa Miiri munene thiini wa Thirikari.
Ensuring love that will forever connect us.
Andu a Famili, arata hamwe na aria mararutithanagia wira na Njue magicaka ya Njue ta mundu urari na urume na urarugamaga na Umma na Kihoto.
As the first daughter, I had the privilege of experiencing his guidance in matters of both heart.
Though you may no longer walk beside us, your spirit lives on in the echoes of the shared.
Mubunge wa tene wa mbere ya muhuro Joyfrey King'ang'i ugite ati Njue arari mundu wi Kiyo kuma tene kuna riria mathomaga thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Ngenge ona thengia wa kugomerwo ni thina Njue no irutanagiria makiria. Seneta wa kaunti ya Embu Alexander ugite ati Njue atiga ithenya rinene muno kaunti-ini ya Embu na kuri ugite ati wega wake guturorahagwo ni njiarwa na njiarwa kuna arari mundu wa mbere gwaka mochari mwena wa mbere.
Tumepoteza mtu ambaye ni watu wengi walikuwa napeana mfano na yeye. Pia tunamshukuru kwa ile kazi alifanya. Pia na sasa hata before akuja kuve alikuwa ameleta, kama tunakumbuka serikali ya Kenya inasema mambo ya afya masinani, yeye ni mmoja katika mbere side amejenga hata mochari.
Genesis Mugo ni muikariri gite wa Kenya Dairy Board ashakaite Njue ta njorua ya mathomo kuma mbere na kuria ugite ati uge wa Njue ni guteithiriria hanene hari kuhurana na thina na ukia mwina ucio.
This man of God, we are seeing people from across the nation having traveled to come and celebrate with us the life of Thirikari for only one reason, because God raised him to the highest standards of the highest professional level, and number two, he was a learned person and outgrew the poverty of better community.
Dr. Moses Njue harari Muhunjia wa Kanitha wa Pentecostal Churches of Kenya, muthuthuria wa Miiri thiini wa Thirikari, C.e.o Thibitari-ini wa Embu level 5, murutani wa thukuru wa University wa Embu hamwe na Kenya Methodist.
The late Dr. Njue enjoyed a healthy life until 2021. He has been on condition management until he was promoted to glory on Wednesday, 8th November at 4 a.m.
Handu-ini ya Muthingi TV, ni Ng'endo wa Njogu.